video, I'm going to teach you about area and circumference of a circle. So if we have a problem like this that says the area of a circle is 25 pi square meters, what is the circumference? So here's the circle and they're saying the area is 25 pi. So first thing to remember is that the area formula for a circle is area equals pi r squared. So that means 25 pi equals pi r squared for this particular circle because this is its area. So we plugged in its area and let it equal to pi r squared. Now we can solve for r. So we can divide both sides by pi to try to get r on its own. Okay, so we've done that. And these all cancel out. So we're left with r squared equals 25. Well, now we could take the square root of both sides, and that's going to give us r equals 5 because the square root of r squared is r. The square root of 25 is 5. Now we can remember that the circumference formula for a circle is c equals 2 pi r. Well, we just plug in r for r equals 5 in this equation. So c equals 2 pi 5. So c equals 10 pi. Our circumference is equal to 10 pi meters. Okay? That's all there is to that problem. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. You could download it. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this very video, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, I have links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar to this. You could check those out if you need extra help. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.